What's going on, guys? This is me Ron and I'm back with the new video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a password generator in Python. In this video I'm going to write only a Python script and execute it. So in other words, it's kind of console application. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a GUI based password generator in Python. So let's do it. I'm going to use IntelliJ IDE is my editor, so open it, go to file, click on new and then click on project and then select Python and next and give the project name and then click finish. It will take some time on this window and then right click, new and then Python file, password gen and then click OK. It's very easy to generate a password using Python as compared to C#, Java and PHP. So let's do it. First of all, we need to import our module, that is random module, and then I'm going to define a variable valid underscore character is equal to we are going to use alphanumeric character, that is our letters and numbers. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z and then capital letters A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z and then number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can also include a special character like 8 exclamation, has, dollar sign, percentage, but I'm not going to use that. Now I'm going to use while loop. While true, that means this program will run continuously until and unless there is some condition to break out of this loop. So I'm going to write on condition that break this loop. So if length is equal to 0, if the length of the password provided by the user is 0, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break, otherwise I'm going to continuously run this loop. So first of all I'm going to take the input from the user, so length is equal to input, please enter the length of the password you want, and we need to convert this input function into integer because this input function return string. And then we are going to generate a password, password password is equal to I'm going to use a string join method which return a string, and inside this string join method I am going to use the random modules function, that is sample, which returns a sequence from a given sample, and we are going to provide the sample, that is our valid character in the length. That's all, and we are going to print this password. It's very easy to generate a password using Python. That's it. This much line of code can generate a random password for the user. So right click, run, and I'm going to use 8 character and I get 8 character password length, and it's keep asking until and unless I enter 0. I'm going to use 10 character, 11 character. There you go. If I enter 0 and click enter, the program exit. Here you can do this, right click again, run. You can generate password up to couple of length 50. There you go. There you can get the 50 characters of password. That's it in this video tutorial, guys. If you like this video, share this video with your friends so that they can know about these tutorials, and give thumbs up, which really motivates us to create such programming video, and stay connected with this channel. In order to stay connected with this channel, you need to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon, because each time we upload a new video you will get the notification and then I will see in the next tutorial video. Thank you once again for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.